Dragonus Inferinus. Whoa! What's going on?
We're in the bottle, Lydia!
Wow! Looks like the rumor was true after all. Is it me, or is everything around here strange looking?
It's not you, Lydia. Everything inside is blurry.
How could we go from a boat to a mountaintop? Zach? Zach? Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. Nathaniel's office?
Lydia!
Zach, where were you?
When we left the boat, I ended up on some kind of mountaintop surrounded by stairways.
Me too.
After a lot of running around, I took one of the stairways and ended up here. This place looks like Nathaniel's office, but I think we're still inside the bottle.
We're finally out of there.
My eyes hurt.
It looks like whatever we did in the bottle office didn't affect this place. A portrait of Celeste!
What? Show me! This isn't a portrait of Celeste. It's the painting of a huge dragon sitting on a mountain ledge.
Weird. We don't see the same thing, just like when we looked at your painting in the art classroom. What is this thing? Whoa! What's going on?
Lydia, what have you done?
Look! A secret teleport disc! Awesome! A secret room!
It looks like some sort of hidden study.
Look at all those roots! I don't even think we're still in the school. Whoa, look at the dust on this desk. Only this note seems to have been written recently.
Lydia, what's wrong?
It's this note. I can't believe it.
What does it say? Tell me! You're making me nervous!
The part that caught my eye is this. Celeste, I am sorry for what I am about to do, but I see no other options.
Who wrote it?
It's not signed, but who else besides Nathaniel could have access to this place? I'm very worried now. What was it he was about to do that needed Celeste to forgive him?
Lydia, be strong. Celeste, and most probably the rest of the students, still need us to figure out what is going on here.
Yes, I'm sorry about that. Let's keep going. Dragonus Inferinus. I don't understand. It's not working.
Maybe it's too old and the magic is not active anymore.
I don't know, but I'll ask the ghost of Grandmaster Nightingale the next time I see him. What a strange library. All the books are transparent and can't be touched. It's as if they weren't real.
It's a ghost library!
Well, as strange as it sounds, you seem to be right. Maybe the ghost of Grandmaster Nightingale can tell us more.
I just remembered something about the paintings in this place. Nathaniel came here after my class last week.
What was he doing?
Well, I saw him speak with a teacher, but I didn't hear what they said. A few minutes later, the teacher left the classroom, leaving Nathaniel alone in here. I guess he came here to paint the picture we found in his office, since you saw Celeste in it.
What the?
Oh, awesome!
Huh? Good! It's another one of these weird containers. There's a strange dust cloud in this one. It's like it has a will of its own. Hey, there's some writing under this container.
What does it say? Can you read it?
It says, "In memory of those who sacrificed themselves in the cause of research into the magical ways of teleportation. May this dust representing their souls help us to never forget them." Do you know what this is about, Zach?
No, I never heard this story before. But this must be one of the 4 items we need to gather.
Did you manage to find the items you need to open the way leading into the sanctuary?
Yes, but I don't have all of the 4 items yet.
You will need to hurry up, young one. Time is against us.
Have you found a way to change Zach back to his human form?
Not yet, unfortunately. I am still trying to remember where my grimoire with that formula is hidden.
Okay. Well, if I ever come by one of your grimoires, I'll make certain to let you know. Are you sure there's no faster way to get to the sanctuary?
There are no other entrances. This portal is the only way leading to that room. It was designed specifically to have only one entrance to guard in case of trouble.
Can't you tell me what the stolen orb's powers are? I found these papers with the orb drawn in them, but I can't read the text.
I will take these, Lydia. They are far too dangerous to be left in the hands of a student. And I am sorry, but I really cannot let you know the secrets of this orb.
This was my favorite class.
You look so sad. Why?
Well, I was aiming for something a little bigger when I first wanted to change into a dragon.
You might be tiny, but you're still a dragon now.
I know, and I'm happy that we finally found the good recipe, but...
But what? What's bothering you?
Well, thanks to you, Lydia, I finally understand that I don't need to be someone else to be respected and appreciated. I can be myself and still have friends who care for me. It might sound odd, but I would really like to turn back to my real self, a human.
Oh, I see. I understand that. Don't worry. We'll brew you a potion that will change you back to the real Zach Nightingale.
There is one big problem, though.
What's that?
When I was researching how to become a dragon, I checked each of the books from the library one by one, and
what?
I never found any recipe to make a potion that would change me back to human.
What? You drank a potion without a clue of what it might do, knowing all the while that it might be impossible to ever change you back into a human?
I didn't care about being human anymore.
Oh my.
Do you want me to go up and check them out?
Sure, Zach. Go check it out, but be careful. I wonder what that magical light is for. This doesn't seem to do anything. Good! It's another one of these weird containers.
Damn! This lantern can't be the item we're looking for.
Wait, this is not a normal lantern, Zach.
What's so special about it?
It produces no heat. Look, I can put my hand in the fire and it's not burning me.
Oh, awesome! It must be one of the items described by the ghost of Master Nightingale. Lydia, what's wrong?
All of this fire reminds me of when my house burned down and when Nathaniel saved my life. He was always so kind, but now all the clues we have seem to show that he's responsible for what's going on in the academy. I don't understand. I don't feel good, Zach.
Since the day I left Lydia, you have been my confident little doll. You know everything, even what I've been through with my father. This disease is draining all of my strength. At least Lydia should be here any day now. Thanks to you, it's like she's been with me all these years. Father, where were you? I haven't seen you in days.
Celeste,
Please, come sit by my side and tell me stories. You know, like when I was young and Mother and I would sit by the fireplace and listen to you for hours. Father? Father! The last time I saw him smile was before Mother became sick. He was so different back then. But it seems this father I loved vanished with my mother. Now I know how orphans must feel. Lydia, where are you? I could use your arms.
Nathaniel, what happened?
First, Ilana, and now, my beautiful daughter.
Hang on, Nathaniel. I'm sure we will find a way to cure her together.
Why? What have I done to deserve this?
Where is Celeste? Answer me! Zach!
I'm here, Lydia.
I'm really sorry. I couldn't warn you this time. The vision struck me suddenly.
It's all right, Lydia. Everything is fine now.
No, it's not. Celeste was really sick in my vision. And Nathaniel. I don't feel good.
Let's rest for a few minutes. Take a deep breath and...
No, we don't have a minute to lose. I fear the worst. These visions are guiding us. I know now. If they brought us back here, it's because we have to get into this sanctuary as soon as possible. So let's do it. Have you found a way to change Zach back to his human form?
Yes. I remember that my grimoire with that formula is in my secret library. But it's protected by a password, and I am not sure if I remember it exactly.
I found a strange library in a secret room where the books were all ghostly. Do you have any idea what it is?
All the books had a visible shape, but could not be touched.
Exactly.
It's my ethereal library. That's where my grimoire has to be.
awesome! But how can I get the spell book if I can't touch it?
This library was built to prevent anyone who did not have the secret password from accessing my knowledge. But I am not sure if I remember the password exactly.
Come on, you have to remember the password. It's vital.
I know. Just give me a few minutes. It is 100 years lost in my memory. And that are notorious. Notarius Noritum. Yes, that's it. Notarius Noritum.
Awesome! I will be back with your spellbook as soon as possible.
I have faith in you, young nightingale.
Let's see if the new formula we got from Grandmaster Nightingale works. Notarius Anoritum.
It worked! Now let's check if we can take books from the library.
The Grandmaster Nightingale's spell book.
This book must hold some of the most powerful spells ever known.
Maybe, but I won't read it. Grandmaster Nightingale warned us not to open it, and I'll obey him.
Oh, don't get me wrong. Even as curious as I am, I would never dare take a look at it.
Let's hurry and bring it back to the ghost of your ancestor, so he can give us the formula we need to change you back into a human. I have your spell book, Master Nightingale.
Well done, Lydia. Now hand it to me along with your old spell book.
I don't have my own spell book yet.
Hand him mine, Lydia.
Okay, Zach.
Now, where is this formula? Ah, there it is. You must use some specific parts taken from all the forms you changed into. Here, I transcribed it quickly into your spell book, Zach.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Master Nightingale.
I swear I will do honor to the name Nightingale and bring this orb back where it belongs.
I have faith in you, young Nightingale.
Awesome! This room can change so that it's like another season inside.
It's a property of the herbalism classroom. That way we can have access to every type of plant, no matter what season it is outside of the school.
Whoa! This place is so windy. It feels exactly like it's about to rain.
For some reason, fall has always been my favorite season. This place reminds me of some memories of stuff you should know.
What is it?
I already told you that I barely know Celeste, but this is the same classroom where we met and spoke a few times. She seemed to have a huge passion for anything and everything related to herbalism.
It doesn't surprise me. Celeste's love for plants comes from her mother, Ilana. She was an herbalist and the best healer our hometown ever had. Ilana always considered others' interests before her own. Gosh, I hate this school. Not knowing if Celeste is safe or not is driving me nuts.
As you said earlier, Lydia, everything's gonna be all right.